Now that we looked at the various pen, let's go to the next slide and look at what the Magic Pen can do. So, as it says here, it's got three main options. One is to write something which disappears, another one is to highlight, and the other one is to magnify. So let's see them in action. I'm going to click the pens up here, go to the pen types, and choose the Magic Pen. That's the one with the stars around it. So we look at the highlight first. For example, if I want to highlight this guy and I circle around it, what it does, it basically masks the other area, and you can make it bigger, and you can also, if you grab the edge of that circle, you can drag it around. When you're done with it, you can close it. The magnifying function you access by drawing a rectangle. That was supposedly too close to a circle. There we go. And once again, you can move it around, and you can change its shape a little bit. So if you want to draw the pupil's attention to certain things on the board, you can use one of those two tools. That could be quite effective. And the write and disappear function, let's just close this. There we go. I'm just going to put a white box here so we can see better. Let's select that shape and fill it with white. There we go. And back to the Magic Pen. So what it does is that if you write a word, it will keep it on the screen for a few seconds, and then it will fade and disappear. You can customize how quickly it fades and disappears in the Property tab. Under the fill effect, you can see it says fade time, and I can change it to 2 seconds, and the line will disappear very quickly. Go back to the Properties tab, and you can change it to 10 seconds, and so if you want the kids to copy spelling words from the board and you want them to do it quickly, then you can tell them go ahead, or it is gone. These are the three nice things that the Magic Pen can do for you.